Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
Suizan Japanese handsaw 6-inch Dozuki Dovetail pull saw for woodworking. Japanese style pull saw. Easiness. This product is a pull saw. What most people are used to are European saws, which cut materials via pushing, thus are called push saws. On the other hand, Japanese saws cut materials via pulling, and thus are called pull saws, which is what this product is. In comparison to push saws, pull saws are lighter in weight, requires less power, and the resulting edge is cleaner. Japanese steel. All Suizan Japanese saws are consisted of top-quality Japanese steel. It uses high-quality Japanese steel, which makes cuts to be sharp. Diversify your woodworking life. No matter you are a master or a beginner in using saws, it gives you brand new experience from using traditional Western style saws and enables you to make more verified woodworkings products and thus change your life. Made in Japan. All Suizan products are manufactured in Japan by Japanese master craftsmen. With a history of over 100 years in making Japanese hand tools, all of the process gone into making tools were completed in one of Japan's towns known for their craft-making tradition. Sanjman Niigata. Satisfaction guarantee. We guarantee your satisfaction. We are confident that you will love our traditional Japanese saw. If you feel unsatisfied, you can contact our customer support team within 30 days of purchase and request a return. We will refund you the full amount paid for the saw. If you receive a saw with any imperfection, you can also contact our support team and we will issue a return and send you a brand new one. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.